Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and pretty much everything is assembled on this BMW E30 convertible, but I have one problem. So basically, front passenger and driver windows are going down and are going up without any problems, and this one as well goes up and down. For some weird reason, the back small ones, these ones, tiny ones, they're not working. They're not going anywhere. And there's this one button that kind of like locks and unlocks the windows. I don't think that's the problem, because somebody said to me that this button will be the problem. But the thing is that there's only two wires going in, basically negative and positive, and that's it, or whatever it is. So basically two wires going in, and that's it. There are no separate wires going towards the back window. I'm not sure what is this one and what does it does. Maybe someone can tell me this one. It's a little square button, and I have no idea what it does. It doesn't affect anything. So yeah, and the thing is that those back windows didn't work already on the donor car as well. So yeah, after we replaced all the wiring harness and from the 4-door into the convertible, I still have the same problem. The back two windows are not going down and not going up, and there's nothing going. Yeah, if someone has some solution for this problem, please leave the comment underneath the video and I'll be very thankful. I'm not sure, like maybe there's like a fuse in a fuse box that's not working, or something else that's not working. I have no idea. Maybe you are more competent in this and you can just write down in comment like and educate me on this one, because hey, I'm just learning. And yeah, hopefully I can kind of solve this problem pretty much soon and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Okay, but anyways, thank you guys for watching, thank you guys for commenting, and probably see you next time with another dumb BMW E30 question. Okay, cheers guys.